Growing an online business is exciting, but scaling it, that is a completely different challenge. Many people can make their first $1,000 online, some even reach 5,000 or $10,000 per month. But after that, growth slows down. Why? Because they don't have systems. Without system, your business depends only on you, and when you get busy, everything stops. In this video, I will share the 5 best system that you need to scale your online business in a smart way. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share strategies to help you to grow faster. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel, and as always check the link from description whenever I mention the tools, especially to get the offers or free trial that also will be applied automatically when you use those links. Now let's get back to the main part of the video. So first of all, we will talk about the number 5th system, that is content system. If you want to scale online, you need consistent traffic, and traffic comes from content. YouTube, blogging, Instagram, TikTok, email, or all of them. But random posting will not help you to scale. You need a content system. This means planning content weekly, batching the production, repurposing the content into multiple platforms, and tracking the performance. For example, one YouTube video can become shorts, Instagram reels, blog posts, email newsletters, and Twitter thread. That's a system. When content creation becomes structured instead of emotional, growth becomes predictable. Now let's move to the number 4, that is lead generation system, right? Traffic alone is not enough. If visitors leave and never come back, you lose the opportunities. That is why you need a lead generation system. This is usually means a landing page, a free offer like an ebook or checklist, and an email collection system. Once someone joins your email list, you own that audience. You can follow up, build trust, and promote the offers later. Without a lead system, you depend only on social media algorithms, and that's risky. Now, let's talk about the number 3, and that is the sales funnel system. If you want to scale, you must automate selling. A sales funnel system helps you to turn visitors into customers automatically. This includes a landing page, sales page, checkout system, upsells, and follow up emails. Instead of manually convincing your every customer, the funnel does the work 24 by 7. For example, someone clicks on your link, watches a sales video, buys a product from you, and receives automated emails after purchase. That's scalable, that's leverage. Now, businesses that rely only on direct messages or manual sales calls, they grow slowly. Funnels help you to scale faster. Now, let's talk about the number 2. So, in system number 2, we have the automation system. When your revenue increases, your workload increases, unless you automate. Automation systems save time and reduce the human error. This includes automated emails, customer onboarding sequences, payment confirmations, invoice systems, appointment scheduling, and even chatbot responses. Imagine answering the same customer question 100 times. Instead, create an automated FAQ email or chatbot flow. Now you save hours of time in every week. Scaling is not about working harder, it's about removing the manual tasks. And finally, at number 1, the system is team and delegation system. This is the most important system for scaling. At the beginning, you do everything: marketing, editing, customer support, accounting, product delivery. But you cannot scale if you stay the only worker. You need a delegation system. This does not mean just hiring a big team immediately. It can start with one freelancer, maybe a video editor, virtual assistant, or customer support agent. Create clear SOPs, standard operating procedures, document how you do tasks, then delegate. When tasks are documented, anyone can follow them. That's how the real business grow. The goal is simple. You focus on the strategy and growth, your systems and team handle the operation. Now quickly recap the 5 systems you need to scale. Number 5th is the content system, right, for consistent traffic. Number 4 is lead generation system to build your audience. Number 3 is sales funnel system to automate selling. Number 2, automation system to save time. And lastly, at number 1, team delegation system to remove yourself from daily tasks. Now, if your business feels stuck, it's usually not a marketing problem, it's a systems problem. Scaling online is not about motivation, it's about structure. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more practical growth strategies and tool guides, and don't forget to check the link in description if you want tools to build this system. Now I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.